Going on, guys? Carman 10 back at it again with another video. And today, Super Bowl promo. I saved up a bunch of packs, and I'm gonna be opening up them today. So let's get right into it. Most of these packs are probably just gonna be the same thing, but tell me what's your Super Bowl opinion in the comment sections below. And mine, I think the Falcons are gonna win. This is recorded on February 5th, 2017 at 11:22 a.m. So if you watch this later on, I guess. But there's been so many new masters, and there's this thing that if you go to a store and you buy players, it's you go to a store and you buy the Super Bowl player and then you put it into a set and then you get an elite player. So you put 5 of them in. Hold on, let me see. Okay, let's do the pick 'em packs. But it's just been I like how they're doing masters. I like how they're doing several different masters because your team, you could get your team better. So, but they're really expensive. That's the only thing. I tried to get packs, as many packs as I can for the Super Bowl. Okay, we get 3 gold players for Super Bowl LI. These are probably the same things too. And then we'll probably open up some gold player packs so we could see if we have enough to get an elite player. So I have 851K. So I'm trying to get to 1 million so I could do something for you guys. And it's kinda, I need to, after this pack opening, I'm gonna sell some stuff and then see where I'm at coins. But Super Bowl promo is going pretty well for me. And tell me if Super Bowl promo is going well for you guys. So let's keep on moving on. Keep on getting collectibles. And so there's so many masters and stuff on this game, that Super Bowl promo, and each elite player goes for 100K, at least 100K or more. But I need to get some elite players, so on this promo I could sell them and I could get 2 million faster. But let's continue these packs. And I'm gonna open the some other packs I saved after these packs. But It's on Fox, so I'm probably starts at 4:30 my time, but it's Mountain Time, Mountain Standard Time. And if you guys are Eastern, and it starts at 6:30 p.m. and then it starts Central 5:30, and then Pacific 3:30. Okay.
Did you pause it?
And millions of people are watching it. So it's gonna be a good game. I get through these packs, so I could get to like other packs. $10,000 coins, not bad, not bad. 10K, not bad. I usually pull those in scrimmage packs, 2,500, 1,000 coins, but they're kind of better than large quick sales, because at least you can get it's 5,000 coins and you spend like 25K on a large quick sale, and you can get these from the live event for free. But let's keep moving forward. We only got how many packs left? I have no idea. But we have 6 packs left. So put up these pro packs. Reveal all, nothing right there. But Gronkowski is out for the season. Come on, we need to get. We're not getting anything, which I understand, because EA needs to make this game better. And console. Okay, we pull our first elite Calvin Pryor. Not bad. Here are the big game packs. I earned. Get nothing right there. Okay, we get nothing right there. But I pretty much got nothing in these packs. Let's go to see. Got so many collectibles. Get these gold players, Super Bowl players. And I'll just pause the video so we can get through. See you guys later. Okay, but I got the player for the Super Bowl elite player.
I'll be quiet.
What are we gonna get? 3, 2, 1, bam! Okay, we get 91 overall Paul Kruger. Let's check what it goes for. It goes over 100K, but I'm just gonna make sure so I could see what his price is, and no. I want does okay. He goes for gosh, let's just take Because for like... Okay, 100K. Because for 100K exactly. But... gotta sell them for... 98.99, 94.2. That is gonna be the video. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.